Welcome to AI ConvoCast, where we bring you the latest in AI and tech innovation. Quick housekeeping. Check out the affiliate links in our description. Using them supports the show, and please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Let's jump right in. Today we will be looking at Nvidia's massive new Vera Rubin AI supercomputer platform unveiled at CES, Samsung's ambitious plan to double its Galaxy AI devices to 800 million units, and Intel's Panther Lake chips marking a major manufacturing milestone. CES 2026 kicked off with some serious hardware announcements, and Nvidia came out swinging. The company revealed its next-generation rack-scale AI platform called Vera Rubin during the keynote. This is a full system approach where Nvidia has integrated 6 different components, including CPUs, GPUs, networking hardware, and data processing units all into one unified platform. The idea here is to give data centers and cloud providers a complete package rather than piecing together different parts. The performance claims are substantial. Nvidia says Vera Rubin delivers roughly 5 times the training performance compared to their current Blackwell architecture, while also bringing significant cost reductions for inference workloads. For organizations running mixture of experts models, which are becoming increasingly popular for their efficiency, Nvidia claims you would need up to 75% fewer GPUs to achieve the same results. On the inference side, they are projecting around 7 times lower cost per token generated. Jensen Huang took the stage and framed this launch around where AI is headed next. He said, quote, "Rubin is built for the era of agentic AI," end quote. That focus on agentic workloads makes sense given how much attention autonomous AI agents are getting right now. These systems require both the ability to reason through complex tasks and respond quickly, so having hardware optimized for that balance matters. Cloud partners are expected to start receiving shipments in the second half of 2026. Samsung made a big declaration about their AI ambitions as well. The company announced they plan to double the number of AI-enabled devices they ship this year, going from 400 million units to 800 million. Their Galaxy AI features are largely powered by Google's Gemini models, so this represents a significant expansion of Gemini's reach into consumer hardware. Co-CEO T.M. Rowe explained the scope of this push in an interview, saying, quote, "We will apply AI to all products, functions, and services," end quote. This is not just about smartphones. Samsung is talking about tablets, televisions, home appliances, and basically anything they make that connects to the internet. The scale here is worth noting because 800 million devices puts AI features in front of a massive number of people who may not be actively seeking out AI tools but will encounter them in their daily device usage. This move positions Samsung to compete more aggressively with Apple on the AI front while also differentiating from Chinese manufacturers. For Google, having Gemini running across that many devices significantly boosts their presence in the consumer AI space without having to sell hardware directly. Intel also had news at CES with the launch of their Panther Lake AI laptop chips. This one matters for reasons beyond just the chip itself. Panther Lake is the first major product built on Intel's 18A manufacturing process, which represents a crucial test of whether Intel can execute on its manufacturing turnaround plans. The chips are aimed at premium laptops, and Intel is claiming around 60% better performance compared to their previous Lunar Lake generation. They are using a chiplet design, which means breaking the processor into smaller specialized pieces that can be manufactured and combined more efficiently. An Intel spokesperson called it a turning point, saying, quote, "Panther Lake marks a turning point for Intel manufacturing," end quote. Intel has been working to regain ground lost to AMD and Apple in recent years, particularly in laptops where Apple's custom silicon has set new expectations for performance and battery life. Getting 18A production working well would be a meaningful step toward being competitive again. The focus on AI capabilities also reflects how the laptop market is shifting, with on-device AI processing becoming a key feature that buyers are starting to care about. Having dedicated hardware for running AI models locally means faster responses and better privacy, since data does not need to leave your device. Thank you for listening to AI ConvoCast. Please don't forget to rate, review, and share if you like what you hear. Thanks and hope to see you again next time.